Guys, today I will be sharing how to make fruit and chocolate dream slice. This is what it looks like. So if you want to learn how to make this, stick around and I'll show you how to make this. So the first thing we're going to do is to make the base of the slice. So we need 1 1/4 cup of plain flour, half a cup of butter, half a cup of granulated white sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. So in a bowl, combine the plain flour, the sugar, give it a quick mix. To this, we're going to cut the butter. You're using a pastry cutter or 2 knives, just like this. You're gonna cut this until it resembles like a fine sand. So for me, I'll be using my pastry blender, this one. So if you have food processor, you can use the food processor as well. Add the vanilla. So this is ready. Now we're going to transfer this into a prepared pan lined with parchment paper. Make sure that the parchment paper is overhanging. I'll put in the description box the dimension of this baking pan, or you can use 9 by 9 square pan. So we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 22 minutes. Meanwhile, while this is baking, we're going to make the topping. For the topping, we need 2/3 cup of plain flour, 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar, 6 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of chopped pecans, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. Combine the 2/3 cup of plain flour and 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar. Give it a mix. So this, we're going to cut the butter again using a pastry blender, or again 2 knives or a food processor. Add the vanilla as well. This is now ready. At this point, we can add the chopped pecans, which is half a cup. Give it a mix. We're going to need a few more ingredients to finish this slice. So we need 1 cup of strawberry jam, the topping that we made, and 1 cup to 1 1/2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. So the base is now done. This is still warm. It just came out of the oven. To this, we're going to add the jam. Again, the jam is 1 cup. Spread this evenly. To this, we're going to add the topping. I'm calling this streusel topping. Distribute this evenly as well. And to this, we're going to add the chocolate chips. With the chocolate chips, it's up to you how much you want to put. For me, I put 1 1/2 cups. So there's plenty of chocolate chips in here. And then we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 22 minutes again. And this is what it looks like after baking. Now, it is important to let this cool down completely. Now that it has cooled down completely, we're going to slice this. Slice it into squares. It's up to you how big you want the slice to be. A quick look at the slice. And this is the finished product. This is so easy to make and it tastes really good. I hope you can give this a try. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. I upload every week. And just to show you what it looks like, close up of the slice. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!